turn up.
Oh.
Let's be it. Because that ain't your face.
Tip drill, Tuesday.
I need a tip drill.
2 wins.
Hey, what's up, everybody? You know what day it is. It's Tip Drill Tuesday, y'all. And our tip for today is this. Really quick, get into it. We're in Heath. We are in Heath, Texas. And you know when the builders call us, it is hot.
We come running.
And the salespeople reach out. We come running. So we're going to show you Heath. We've sold before here. We're going to show you this because they've dropped prices. Big drops. So and they're giving incentives. And we actually love this builder. We love the salesperson. So let's go take a look.
Hold tight. Oh, un momento.
There we go. She's on it. Hold on. We're going to show you this house. We're outside. Here we go. I'm losing my voice. But let's go. We're going inside. Y'all, some of y'all may remember this house because we just closed it. Closed on one of these. I don't even remember when it was.
DJ.
Yeah, DJ. Come on. Let's go. Go inside. Look at that door. Come on. Okay. So this is the entrance coming in. Yes, there we go. Mudroom area, and you have a bathroom down here. It's a little dark, but you get the idea. And so we'll go upstairs and check out the upstairs, but let's look down here.
You're seeing right now.
Yes, you got your indoor, outdoor California vibe. They are offering $15,000 in incentives towards closing, interest rate buy down, all that good stuff.
Kitchen is kind of my favorite part.
Yes.
I don't know. I have a lot of faves.
So you can take a look at this. But yeah, our actual salesperson that we normally deal with is not here today.
Yes.
But we appreciate Lauren for helping us out and giving us the deets on these homes out here in Heath. Now let's go upstairs. Wait a minute before we go upstairs. Look at that. Ah, that is nice. Okay, upstairs. Okay, so we made it up the stairs. Master bedroom, you get double doors. Come on, DJ. You get double doors, and this is your master bedroom.
Oh, yes.
This is the actual home we actually sold out here, and our clients still love it. But this is it. Okay. This is the master. Come on, music coming out. We're coming out the master. And we're gonna go. So you have this area in the middle, upstairs, game room area. Your laundry room's upstairs. And guest bathroom, other bedrooms. So that's it. You know what it is. So that's it. It's your Tip Drill Tuesday. Choose 2 wins. We are out here in Heath today. Pretty in pink. Yeah, we're out here in Heath. Choose 2 wins. They have incentives. They're dropping prices greatly. Give us a call, 214-245-6437. 2 wins.